Hi, I'm Rachel Evans from the Workshop Whisperer. Thank you so much for registering for our upcoming webinar. You've probably registered for this webinar because you're looking for a way to make it through safely and successfully during this economic downturn. We've got high interest rates, 10 interest rate rises, as well as high inflation, and it's probably having an impact or starting to have an impact on your daily operations. I know that you want to keep your business pumping no matter what, so you might have registered for the webinar to help keep customers coming through the door, to keep your cash flow coming through, and very importantly, to keep your sanity. So if you want to learn how to do those things, make sure you turn up live to the webinar. If you don't want to wait until then, though, to start working on some of the issues that you've got right now, how about you book in for one of our Workshop Whisperer strategy sessions with one of our growth specialists? So that'll either be with me or one of my team. And what we'll do on the call is we'll do a deep dive into what's going on for you at the moment. We'll show you how to simplify, amplify, and multiply what you're doing in order to achieve the result that you want. We'll look at what's slowing you down, and then we'll start to put together a plan with you that will help you achieve over the course of 18 months or so the results that you're after. Choose a time that suits you and put as much information about your business, your issues, as you would like into the form so that by the time we get to your strategy session, we're as prepared as we can be. This strategy session is free. Why do we do that? Well, we've been doing this for quite some time now, and we know that there'll be a percentage of you that go on to work with us after the strategy session. And if that's you, fantastic. I can't wait to see you inside one of our programs. If that's not you, that's okay too. You'll leave the strategy session with your plan that you can go on to implement at your leisure. But the only way to get the plan is to book the call and show up. So thanks once again for registering for the webinar. I really look forward to seeing you there or seeing you on a strategy session before then.